What's going on, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. This video is all about this new lens that I got right here. This is the Sony 20mm F1.8, and as you see, it comes in this nice looking orange box as usual with the Sony lenses. So let's open it up together and see what is inside. Alright, it's nice centered in the overhead camera. Oh, oh la la. Oh, oh. Let's put that aside. Little warranty papers and stuff. Let's put this aside like so. So well protected. Loving the pouch. Pouches are always nice, even though they end up not in your camera bag. No. First up, the lens hood. Plasticky, like standard, nothing special about it. Now, the main event. Oh, the lens cap came off. Look at this, guys. Wow. Cool. Ooh. You know, it reminds me of the 24mm actually. Weather sealing gaskets, which I really like. 67mm filter thread. Let's put a little cap on it to see how that looks. Wow. It's nice and compact. I really like how it feels. It feels like premium, solid, good quality. Alright, let's switch things up. I'm gonna put it on there and show you some photos and stuff in the meanwhile. So yeah, let's switch. Alright, man, f1.8, 20 mils. So I'm actually really close to the camera. Let's see how the autofocus works. Alright. Back to me, to the lens, and then back to me. Seems to be working fine. Gonna test this lens out to see if it's any good. I think it's already better than the Tokina that I reviewed some weeks ago, maybe a week ago. Not sure when this video will be posted, but then you know, right? So really like how it looks right now, like very compact. Alright guys, that's all. Thank you again for tuning in. I'm liking all the new subscribers. It's growing, and it's growing like step by step. You know, I like it. Very much appreciate it. Hope everybody's feeling safe and as well. Stay safe and stay healthy. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.